Today we're making Eggless Pumpkin Spice Scones. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. These soft and tender pumpkin spice scones have a maple cream cheese icing and are perfect for weekend brunch. So grab your ingredients and let's get started. First, we're going to add our all-purpose flour, brown sugar, baking powder, pumpkin spice, and salt to your stand mixing bowl. Mix for a few rotations to combine the dry ingredients. Then grab your butter from the fridge. This should be super cold for the best tender and flaky scones. I like to grate this using a large box grater, but if you don't have one, you can chop it up into small cubes too. Add the butter to the mixing bowl along with the pumpkin puree and milk. Mix on low until a shaggy dough forms. We don't want to overmix. If you see a little bit of dry bits, then you can mix that together with your hands. Then we're going to transfer the dough to a parchment paper lined baking sheet and form it into a disc that's about 7 inches in diameter. Using a sharp knife, slice it into 6 equal wedges just like a pizza. Then separate those wedges on the baking sheet. Refrigerate the baking sheet for 30 minutes and preheat your oven to 400 degrees during this time. Then it's time to bake the scones for about 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. Let the scones cool completely, and then it's time to make the glaze by adding powdered sugar, maple syrup, and cream cheese to a mixing bowl and whisking together. I just like to use a butter knife to spread the glaze on top of the scones. Then they're ready to enjoy. For more fall baking recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.